Welcome to this Mangold tutorial about explorative timestamp data collection with Interact. This very basic data collection approach does not use any of the typical supportive observation functionalities, as explained in the data logging tutorials. Nor does this explorative approach require any predefined codes or classes or a coding system of any sort, but it can get you going in the world of recording-based observations. Actually, this turns Interact into a kind of Excel that can control one or more videos in sync. This is how it works. Open an audio or video file in Interact, either through the File Open menu, or by dragging the file or files on top of the Interact window. To store your data, create a new, empty data file, or open an existing file to extend previous work. Hit play and watch the video until something noticeable happens, and hit pause the moment you feel the need to describe something. Now, while the video is paused, we can log the time of the position in the video by clicking this E+ icon, or by pressing Ctrl E. In a brand new data file, this will automatically create a group and a dataset line, along with our first event line. This new event line holds a timestamp of the current position in the video, and it offers us room for memos and descriptions of any kind. Enter a description into the empty cell behind the time information, like this. Memos, or long comments, are best entered into the transcription field that, per default, is located at the bottom of the Interact window, but may already be displayed as a column. To change the location of the transcript field, switch to the View tab and select Main Layout. In the section Show Transcript, you can decide where you like it best. To continue, hit play to further watch the video and hit pause again the moment something noteworthy happens. Click the E+ button, or press Ctrl+ E to create another event line, holding the time reference of the current position in the video. Describe the situation and continue. We can use the available multimedia controls and timeline to scrub or skip through the videos if we want. Watch our advanced video control tutorial for details on controlling multimedia files. Collecting all descriptions in a single column is fine, but creating additional columns to organize the observations and remarks right from the start is possible too. Just right-click on the header row and select the command Add Class. We may create as many class columns as needed up front, or create one whenever needed. By the way, renaming a class column is easy. Just double-click on the header to be changed and enter a new name. Once you get the hang of it, reusing previous descriptions will become interesting. This too is possible with the help of a drop-down list per cell, at least for the information entered inside the regular class columns. This feature is not available for the transcript field, even if it is displayed as a column. Should the cells not show the drop-down list automatically, go to the Main Layout settings on the View tab and activate the drop-down editor option. Confirm with OK. Now, each cell will present a list with any of the already entered expressions in that particular column. This makes it easy to reuse expressions to label similar situations. Additionally, I like to point out that the descriptions entered in one or more of the regular class columns are automatically available in all descriptive statistics routines. This means that calculating frequencies and latencies is available instantly. This information is also automatically stored in a code archive, which might be important for aggregation and cataloging descriptions, or even extracting codes, but we won't get into that in this tutorial. On top of that, information entered in the transcription area can be analyzed and manipulated with the routines available on the Text tab. This means, among other things, that you can perform word counts or create a word cloud. How that works is explained in our tutorial about analyzing transcriptions. To learn how to add duration to the timestamps collected so far, watch the tutorial about adjusting collected time information. We are happy to speed up your research, so watch our other videos to learn more.